Alright, what's going on, guys? So I have a 2021 ZL1 1LE, and I was having some supercharger issues, so really going to talk about bleeding the supercharger. So I just got a 2-liter bottle that I rinsed out, and then I got this little 3D printed slot that I will use to connect it. So the special thing about this is it has like a little nipple here that'll help push it down. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use regular distilled water to bleed it out. So I'm actually going to wait until my daughter gets here so she can rev it while I'm putting in the water. So basically, you just need like a 2-liter thing, and then this nipple here. So as you can see, there's got some holes in it, but you got this little thing that presses it down, and then this little O-ring here, which I might can find. I'm going to try not to lose this one. So that's just going to help to make contact on this side. It's a pretty good seal from here. This is a good seal here. It's this bottom part. Hey guys, this is my daughter, so she's going to press the accelerator as I bleed the supercharger, okay? So bleeding the supercharger means I'm going to take the air out, okay? So I'm going to use just a regular 2-liter bottle, this little device here, and that little gasket. This little gasket. So now I want you to get into the car. Alright, go ahead and roll down the window so you can hear me. And I want you to just give it some gas. You don't have to take it out of park or anything because I don't want you to run me over. I'll let you know when, okay? Alright, give it some gas. See these bubbles? Okay, stop. See these bubbles, guys? Alright, give it some gas. Alright, stop. Alright, give it some gas. Alright. Alright, give it some gas. Alright. Alright, Jenna. You can turn it off. Just press the button.